Samsung S25 Slim leaks are getting stronger and stronger, and seems like Apple needs to really focus on their competition. As there will be slim phone from Apple as well next year, the iPhone 17 Air, you might know. So let's dive in and see what new leaks we have regarding the new cameras and other stuff on S25 Slim. So the S25 Slim will be an additional phone in Samsung S25 lineup, unlike the iPhone 17 Air, as Apple is ditching the iPhone 17 Plus from their lineup to make place for iPhone 17 Air. Recently we got official teaser image of Samsung's launch event, and if you look closely you can see we have edges of 4 phones, which confirms that there is for sure a new phone, which is obviously Samsung S25 Slim. On Sunday, a renowned leaker from China posted these details about the new S25 Slim. There will be 3 of total camera sensors, a 6.6 inches display, pretty much same as of S25 Plus, and Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is massive move from Exynos, and a great battery of course. Now, how is Apple in trouble with all these leaks if these come true? Well, we had leaks earlier about the iPhone 17 Air, which is expected to launch with only one camera, which is disaster for Apple itself if S25 Slim pops up with 3 cameras. If we talk about these cameras on S25 Slim, then there will be 200 megapixel HP5 primary sensor, a 50 megapixel JN5 sensor, and a 50 megapixel JN5 3.5x telephoto sensor. On the thickness side, the iPhone 17 Air loses the game here as well, as it is rumored to have around 6mm thickness, while S25 Slim is rumored to have around 4.9 to 5mm thickness. So S25 Slim is a clear winner here if these leaks come true. Samsung is not really coming slow. On the other hand, the flagship variant in S25 series, the S25 Ultra, is also having major upgrades like in design and performance, as the whole series is coming with Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Here you can take a look at the official S25 Ultra device, as it was leaked a couple weeks ago, and this is the full and final design of the S25 Ultra, which has now moved from sharp corners to round edges. Even if Samsung took the game in slim side, it's still really hard for them to match the iPhone 16 Pro with their S25 Ultra. So yeah, that's all for the S25 Slim. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.